Is it time to buy or sell Rocket Lab USA stock? In this video, we will explore Rocket Lab USA in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 9th of August, 2024, our system has identified Rocket Lab USA as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.24. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 253.82% since we first designated Rocket Lab USA as a buy candidate 70 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 3.63% per day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is situated in the upper part of a very wide and robust rising trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $19.12 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 95.6% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 11.07% to 96.86%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 124.59% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 13.53% and 34.95%. This translates to a price range of $16.43 to $25.64 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Rocket Lab USA includes the headline, Significant Movements in Rocket Lab USA Inc. Stock Price on Friday, fluctuating 15.95% between high and low. The Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock price increased 9.45% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, rising from $17.36 to $19. During that trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 15.95%, with a low of $16.80 and a high of $19.48. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 66.37% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, resulting in a total of 42 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $789.39 million. It is important to consider that decreasing volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $22.55, while the lowest price was $3.47. Currently, the price is 15.74%, or $3.55, below the 52-week high of $22.55, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rocket Lab stock, ticker RKLB, has recently experienced significant volatility following a strong quarterly earnings report. As of the 14th of November, 2024, shares surged by 50% due to a positive earnings surprise and elevated guidance for the fourth quarter. This rally reflects Rocket Lab's robust performance in the aerospace sector, with revenue growth in its space systems segment and a promising outlook thanks to a record number of Electron launches. Despite this, the stock showed signs of weakness shortly after, raising concerns among investors. Rocket Lab's valuation may appear stretched after a remarkable 355% increase since November 2023, driven by strategic growth initiatives and new contracts. The anticipation surrounding the Neutron rocket and ongoing expansion efforts in launch services signal long-term potential, but profitability remains a critical issue. In the short term, the sharp gains could lead to profit-taking, especially as the market digests the latest earnings. Investors should remain cautious about the sustainability of this enthusiasm, particularly as Rocket Lab continues to navigate competitive pressures from industry giants like SpaceX. Overall, while Rocket Lab is positioned for growth with its innovative approach and strong market sentiment, volatility is expected in the stock price as the company balances expansion efforts with the need to achieve profitability amid rising expectations. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, November 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned RKLB a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned RKLB an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 27th of September 2024, it was reported again by KeyBank that RKLB received an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 12th of September 2024, JMP Securities reported that they assigned RKLB a market perform rating with an initiate recommendation. On Wednesday, the 14th of August 2024, Citigroup reported that RKLB received a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Rocket Lab USA stock a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Rocket Lab USA. There are mostly positive signals in the chart today. The stock of Rocket Lab USA Inc. displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected from the lines at $15.94 and $11.63. If the stock falls below either of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, November 14, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 9.45%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 73 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe short moving average, buy signal from 49 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 122 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 116 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rocket Lab USA. Rocket Lab USA Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $18.83. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.68 between its high and low, which is 15.95%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 12.75%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rocket Lab USA, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios can signal insufficient profitability and raise the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 25th of February, 2025. The consensus estimates from analysts stand at negative 11 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rocket Lab USA. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Rocket Lab USA encounters its first support level at $18.83. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rocket Lab USA from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 19th of September, 2024, Possenried Kenneth R. made an insider purchase of 23,421 shares of common stock. On the same day, Armagno Nina conducted an insider purchase of 17,998 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Klein Frank executed an insider purchase of 1,300,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th of September, 2024, Klein Frank made an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 26th of August, 2024, Khosla Ventures Seed BLP conducted an insider sale of 152,591 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 80.87. In total, insiders purchased 7,961,209 shares and sold 116,870,880 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.45, reflecting a decrease of 2.90%. This stock experiences very high daily movements, which introduces significant risk. The relative strength index over the past 14 days stands at 80, substantially increasing that risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is Rocket Lab USA stock a good buy? Rocket Lab USA Inc. exhibits several positive indicators and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Consequently, we believe it to be a favorable choice at these current levels, anticipating further gains in the coming 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 18th of November, we expect Rocket Lab USA to open lower by 0.573 of a dollar, beginning trading at $18.43. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely depend on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.